Bitch. By the way, hey, hi, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Krishi. If you're new here, this is my YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. And yeah, coming back to my point, the way you talk to yourself in your head almost at all times decides your entire day. Now, this might sound very, very generic to a lot of people, but let me tell you, it is दिस मच ओके इतो सा प्रॉब्लम है पर वो हमारा पूरे दिन का उसको डेकोरम को डिसाइड करता है. आई रिमेंबर मी बीइंग इन फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड एंड वन फाइन डे आई टेल यू जब भी कुछ फंसने वाली सिचुएशन आती है ना व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली स्केयर्ड कि यू नो दिस माइट हैपन दिस माइट हैपन दिस माइट हैपन दिस माइट हैपन, द मोर यू मेडिटेट ऑन इट, द मोर यू थिंक ऑन इट, द मोर इट विल हैपन. This is like, I remember when I have a huge fear of heights, like huge fear of heights. I can't even if I'm on the building terrace, I can't look down. I'm that scared of heights. So the more you think on it, the more of it happening, the chances will grow. So it's all in your head. The minute in the night before you keep your phone and you think, I'm feeling so tired. I know everybody is tired in the day. Come on, buddy. Everything is tired. Everybody is tired. But the next day when you wake up for your college office or your own stuff, you're going to be tired because in the night, the last thought that you had in your mind was that you were tired. So be very, very, this is for the weight loss also. I myself, I make this mistake a lot, and I tell you all, please avoid such mistakes. With my hair, winter season mein there's a lot of dandruff coming in every girl's scalp, including mine. I have dandruff in my hair when it's winter time, and I usually think a lot about it. क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, मेरे बाल क्यों झड़ रहे हैं? Even though I know that it's gonna happen, it's meant to happen, and it's fixed कि होगा ही. Yet I'm scared. क्यों होगा एंड द डे आई थिंक अबाउट इट अ लॉट, मेरे बाल अपने आप बहुत ज़्यादा दे टेंड टू फॉल ऑफ, विच आई एम रियली स्केर्ड ऑफ because I don't want to be a takla bro in the age of 20. Come on. Second of all, the more I think about my weight, the more I see the numbers on the weighing scale the next day. मेरे को पता चल जाता है. मैंने बोला भैया लो अब तो मैं गई. मैंने बोला अब ये weighing scale ज़्यादा दिखाएगा. So the more you think about it, exams, don't think a lot about it. Believe me, मैंने अपने बोर्ड्स के पहले भी नहीं सोचा था कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं, एंड इवेंचुअली जो होना था वही हुआ. 80%, 85%. 10th was 85 and 12th was 80 point something. No, 12th was exactly 80.00 and 10th was 85.45. So I remember my numbers so clearly. So that's what I was saying, that please, please, please make sure that you don't meditate upon things which are not in your control, and the way you think about stuff is going to decide what your entire day is going to look like. Believe me. Why is my camera so shitty? Yeah, camera nahi, why is my angle so shitty? So I'm posting this YouTube video, right? I just have the rights to upload, write the caption the way it has to be, write the description the way it has to be, and write the tags the way it has to be, design the thumbnail like I have to be. It's as simple as karmanya vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Do your duties without the attachment to the results. Be detached. I know it's too easy, बोलना बहुत easy है, कोई भी श्लोक उठा के बोलना बहुत ज़्यादा easy है, पर मैं बताती हूँ. See, people say that तुम्हारे हाथ में destiny होती है, ठीक है. डेस्टिनी ऑलरेडी लिखी होती है, पर अगर तुम काम करो, तुम मेहनत करो, तो तुम वो डेस्टिनी को चेंज कर सकते हो. आई बिलीव यू कैन चेंज योर सेल्फ, यू कैन चेंज द डेस्टिनी, ओनली द थिंग्स दैट कैन बी चेंज्ड. अभी सी दे से दैट when you are going to have a birth and when you are going to die is already written. So you कितना भी तुम घास पे चल लो, कितना भी एक्सरसाइज कर लो, do exercise for the current living. But if you are 69, 70, if you're 80 and then you are telling that I'm going to walk on grass and then I'm going to save my life. But if you're going to be 35, 40, 41, 42 and if you're going to say that I'm going to walk on grass just to be healthy, so I don't have, if a 80-year-old is saying I don't want to have a painful death, वो तो लिखा ही है ना. तुम कैसे मरोगे, ये तो सब कोई भी if you ask any person who's in any religion, any dharam, any caste, any region, anything, according to me, I'm not a big gyani or I'm not a big guru, but this is what I've heard. Death and birth are both written in the same way. It's a game, life is a game. The way you play in your game of life, you win, but the start and end is decided, so you can't decide. No baby or no soul has the right to decide when they are going to take birth. In the same way, no body or no soul has the right to decide when they are going to die. It's as simple as that. But it doesn't mean sab moh maya hai, everything is just there and you have to leave everything and you just have to don't do because you're going to die eventually. No, you've got this life to work, to get shit done, to do your stuff and just be. Fulfill your dreams, fulfill your family's dreams, fulfill yourself. Be happy within yourself first and then go find a partner. Don't need to be, ooh, I need a boyfriend, ooh, I need a girlfriend, I don't have anybody to hang around with. Brother, hang around with yourself. You don't need to go find a person. And it's such a dirty system in our Gen Z generation that people are, the way things are getting mature, it's great, but you can't be having a boyfriend or a girlfriend just because you don't have anybody to hang around. So things can be controlled, only certain things can be not controlled, a lot of it. So I'll tell you a short story. So there was a person who had murdered somebody, okay, in, I think probably in the US or something. I don't know if this is a true story, but it's a great example. That person had murdered somebody और पुलिस ने उसको 2 सज़ा सुनाई थी. एक तो या तो तू फांसी से लटक जा, दूसरा या तो तुझे दुनिया के सबसे जहरीले सांप से कटवाएंगे. And he thought the second punishment was less painful. So like, I'll go with this. Police was like, okay, great. After a few hours of giving him his last hours of his life, they closed his eyes. बंद कर दिया उसको, पट्टी बांध दी आँख पे. And then instead of getting a super poisonous snake, उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने वो होती ना सेफ्टी पिन, उससे उसको थोड़ा जोर से उसको प्रिक किया. सेफ्टी पिन से कोई कैसे मर सकता है? उसको तो यही लगा था कि मुझे दुनिया के सबसे जहरीले सांप से कटवाएंगे. सम टाइम हैपेंड, 6-7 hours later, that person dies. And the police is in shock. They were eventually gonna remove that off, पर उसको सज़ा देने के लिए उन्होंने थोड़ा उसको परेशान किया. वो मर गया क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में बैठ गया था कि मुझे स्नेक ने काटा है और दुनिया के सबसे जहरीले स्नेक ने काटा है. The doctor got called. They did the postmortem. सब कुछ उन्होंने उसका किया जो चेकअप वगैरह लगता है. डॉक्टर ने बोला ये स्नेक पॉइजन से मरा है. तो द पुलिस सेड वी नेवर गॉट हिम एक्चुअली पॉइजन बाय अ स्नेक. उसने बोला उसके नहीं किया, तो उसके माइंड ने ऐसा डेवलप कर दिया, ऐसी चीज़ें डेवलप कर दी इन द बॉडी. द माइंड स्टार्टेड टू बिलीव दैट द स्नेक एक्चुअली बिट द पर्सन और उसकी वजह से उसकी मौत हो गई. तो माइंड ने धीरे धीरे उस चीज़ को डर में एक्सेप्ट किया, वो बॉडी में गया और उसके बाद उसकी डेथ हो गई. तो आप ज़रा सोचो, इट इज़ योर माइंड इज़ सच अ पावरफुल एसेट. योर थॉट्स कैन बी ईदर बी बेस्ट और वर्स्ट. योर माइंड कैन ईदर बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड और ईदर इट कैन बी योर worst enemy. So tame your actions, tame your mind, tame your thoughts. It's not easy for me also, and it's not easy for anybody living here in the world, especially when things are being made so difficult for all of us कि हम कुछ भी करने जाते हैं कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम बीच में आ ही जाती है. ये सबके साथ होता है और ये कुछ डिमोटिवेशन है, बट ये सच बात है. सो टेम योर माइंड. वो नहीं बोल रहा है मैं करूँगा, तू क्या करेगा? बोलेगा डोंट डू, आज वर्कआउट रहने देते, असाइनमेंट कर, आज करूँगा. क्या कर लेगा? व्हाट विल यू डू? Just think of your mind as either your best friend and your worst enemy. If you make it your enemy, and if you think with that thought that I will do this, your mind will also start to accept कि ये तो मान नहीं रहा, तो मैं इससे अग्री कर लेता हूँ क्योंकि रहना तो मुझे यहीं पे. So it might sound funny and very vague to a lot of people, but it's the truth. Learn this the hard way, and I know a lot of people who've learned this the good way, bad way, or just learned. But it's very, 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 very important कि देखो, see at the end I can just help people by recording a video, editing it, making a thumbnail, writing the title, description, tags and uploading it on YouTube. But at the end it's on the viewer कि वो कितना लेते हैं इस चीज़ को. I can't, या कोई भी किसी के घर पे जाके नहीं बोल सकता कर अभी तू कर, किसी के पास उतना टाइम नहीं है. But this video should be a reminder for you to just tame your mind, tame your actions. I got this. So yeah, make sure to do that and don't worry, everything's going to be all right. Everything will be all right. If you think everything is going wrong, when you focus on what's going wrong, you invite more things to be wrong. When you want positivity in your life, you don't say negativity मुझे नहीं चाहिए. You just start doing good things, positive things में अपना routine, back to routine आना भी एक positive thing ही है, बस उसको label दे दिया है positivity. If you think on positive things, if you do stuff, negativity automatically will go away. खराब चीज़ एक टाइम तक नहीं टिक सकती. बुराई अच्छाई के सामने बहुत कम टिकती है, दिखाती है बहुत बलशाली हूँ, बहुत ताकतवर हूँ, बहुत पावरफुल हूँ, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, वो कर, पर ज़्यादा दिन टिकती नहीं अगर तुम तुम्हारी चीज़ पे काम करो तो. सो लेट द थॉट्स व्हेन दे कम, ओके ब्रदर हो गया, निकल जा अभी यहाँ से, मुझे तेरा कोई काम नहीं है. Just do this. Believe me, you will see a massive change in your life. By this we end this video. I hope you like this video. I'll bring more such cute useful content for you guys, and we are also planning on some other videos which are on makeup, lifestyle, skincare and other things are also in the process. So yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram and drop a comment on what video actually made me stay on my channel. Love.